In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a video on Visme. Visme is a powerful and versatile tool used to create stunning visuals, and mastering small tricks like video rotation can significantly enhance your projects. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to ensure your video is already uploaded and placed within your Visme slide or canvas. This is crucial because to rotate the video, you need to have it positioned exactly where you want it to appear in your presentation or project. If you haven't uploaded the video yet, take a moment to do so, and then we can move on to the next step. Once your video is in place on your canvas, the next thing you need to do is select the video element. To do that, simply click on the video directly within your Visme slide. You might notice some handles or indicators appearing around the video, which means you've successfully selected it. With your video selected, let's focus on that handy little tool, the rotate handle or icon. You'll recognize it by the circular arrow shape often found around or near your selected video element. This is your go-to tool for rotating the video. Now, you might be wondering how exactly to use this rotate icon. It's straightforward. Click on that rotate handle and hold down your mouse button as you drag the icon in the direction you want to rotate your video. It's really that simple. You have the power to adjust the video to the exact angle that suits your design. Whether you need just a slight tilt or a full-blown 90-degree rotation, the control is literally at your fingertips. Remember, it's a good idea to keep an eye on how the rest of your design elements align with your newly rotated video. Rotating a video can change the overall balance of your slide or canvas, so take a moment to review the layout and make any additional tweaks necessary to maintain a harmonious design. There you have it. Those are the steps to rotate a video on Visme. This seemingly small task can make a big difference in your projects, allowing you to create a more dynamic and visually appealing presentation. Having this skill in your toolkit allows for greater creative expression and design flexibility in Visme. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in maneuvering your video elements with ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for more tips and tricks on maximizing your use of Visme. Happy designing!